All right, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. I know it has been a minute, but I have been waiting almost 2 months to be receiving this package. It just came in the mail today, so let's go on ahead and let's get to the unbox. All right, you guys, so before we get into the full unboxing, just to give you a little background, there was a contest online and on Instagram. It sent you, if you followed CanAm on Road, they had a link to this contest on their actual web page. It was CanAm XSRGN, and I entered the contest. Wasn't even really expecting to win anything. I actually forgot that I even entered into the contest, so I happened to look at my messages, and it basically said you won. So, you know, exchange information, talk to the representative from CanAm on Road, got everything sorted out. Month and a half later, here we are, and I have the box. So I'm ready, excited, been waiting for this thing to come in the mail. So let's go ahead and let's get it open. So here's the unboxing knife we're gonna use today. I like this little guy, really like it. Fun knife to use. A little iced coffee, get your boy woke up. All right, let's get into this thing. Boom. The Lynx top case. CanAm on Road and SRGN. That is the logo, the SRGN logo. Of course, the CanAm logo. Custom from SRGN. Very nice. Very, very nice. I'm liking that. Very nice patchwork. Love it. So let's get the case open. Zipper. Nice insulated zipper. Definitely be using this thing. Nice. This is what is inside the custom CanAm and SRGN shoes. Logo. CanAm. Very nice. All right. So again, inside the box, we're gonna do a full review on the Lynx cooler case here in a little bit. We got a full review on the shoes here in a little bit. Boom, SRGN, CanAm on Road. Came with an extra pair of laces. I'm feeling it, liking it. Don't know if I'm gonna change it, I might. What came on them is a straight black pair. Nice. And of course, a little letter. Just a quick little brief run through of the letter. These are one of only 30 created. Yes, sir. Original, one of 30. These are the brand, these are the shoes that they made, the inclusivity, brand heritage, and the love of the ride. Boom, boom, boom. So huge shout out to SRGN, huge shout out to CanAm. Definitely looking forward to wearing these shoes. Definitely looking forward to making some content on these shoes and on this bag. Until next time, you guys, make sure you guys ride safe. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Bye.